Hi, hello. This is Harida from Mental Math Calculations Made Easy. Welcome to my class. In this class, we are going to see how to find square root of numbers by long division method. Long division method is the method that we use for dividing numbers. So, let us find square root of 3136 by this method. Okay. So, we have to draw a line like this, and above this we'll write the quotient and here we'll write the divisor. Okay. So, first we have to pair these numbers from the right. So, this is one pair and this is one pair. Now, we have to find a number whose square is less than or equal to 31. Obviously, it is 5. 5 square is 25 and 6 square is 36, which is more than 31. So, 5 is a number which we should write here. Now, 5 into 5 is 25. Now, subtract this 25 from 31. You will get 6. And bring this down, 636. We have to bring the numbers in pairs. Okay, so 636. Now, add this, 5 plus 5 is 10. Now, we have to find a number a such that 10a into a is equal to or less than 636 or near to 636. So, we know that 1 into 6 is 6. So, let us see whether this will be the number is 6. So, 106 into 6 is 36, 3, 6. So, here we can write 6 and minus 636. This is 0. That is, remainder is 0, which means square root of 3136 is 56 and 3136 is a perfect square. Okay, understood? Now, we'll find square root of 15129. Okay, so first pair this from the right and now find a number whose square is less than or equal to 1. It is obviously 1. 1 square is 1. Then 1 minus 1 is 0. Then bring this 51 down. Now add this, 1 plus 1 is 2. Now find a number a such that 2a into a is less than or equal to 51. Obviously it is 2. 22 into 2 is 44, which is less than 51. 23 into 3 is 69, which is more than 51. So, we can write 2 here. Then 44. 22 into 2 is 44. Now, 51 minus 44 is 7. Then bring this 29 down. Now, add 22 and 2. You should not add 12. You should add only 2. 22 plus 2 is 24. Then we have to find a number a such that 24a into a is less than or equal to 729. This is 9, okay. Now, so here this is 7. So, let us see whether 3 is the number, because 2 into 3 is 6, which is less than 7. So, let us see 243 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, 6, 7. So, 3 is that number. 729. Then, remainder is 0, which means this is a perfect square. And 123 is the square root of 15129. Okay. Now, let us find square root of 622521. So, the first step is divide it into pairs. So, from here we have to group it. Right? Now, find a number such that its square is less than 62. 8 square is 64. So 7 is that number. 7 square is 49. 8 square is 64, which is more than 62. So 7 is that number. 7 into 7 is 49 and 62 minus 49 is 13. Now bring this 25 down. Then next step is add this. 7 plus 7 is 14. Now we have to find a number a such that 14a into a is less than or equal to 1325. 149 into 10 is 1490. So let us see whether 149 is that number. So 9 into 9 is 81. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus 8 is 44. Then 13. 1341. So 9 is not that number. So 8 will be that number. And 148 into 8 is 64. 4 8s are 32. Plus 6 is 38. Then 11. So 1184. Now subtracting 1184 from 1325, you will get 1. Then 12 minus 8 is 4. 2 minus 1 is 1. 141 and bring this 21 down. Then adding this 148 plus 8 is 156. Okay. Now we have to find a number a such that 156a into a is equal to or less than 14121. Let us see whether 9 is that number, because here last digit is 1 and this is 14. So 1 into 9 is 9, which is almost near to 14. So let us see whether that is the number. It may or may not be that number. So into 9. 9 9s are 81. 6 9s are 54. 54 plus 8 is 62. Then 5 9s are 45. 45 plus 6 is 51. Then 1 into 9 is 9. 9 plus 5 is 14. So here 9 is that number. And we got 14121. So when you subtract this, you will get 0 as the remainder, which means this is a perfect square, and 789 is the square root of 622521. Okay, so with this I am concluding this video, that is finding square root of perfect squares. Till now we have seen how to find square root of perfect squares. I'll be uploading one more video on finding square root of perfect squares. After that, I'll be doing 2 videos on finding square root of numbers which are not perfect squares. So stay tuned, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do like and share so that others can also benefit. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you and bye.